Hey there, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today I want to quickly talk about the 6 common symptoms of a bad fuel tank pressure sensor. If you find this information helpful, please don't forget to press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point automotive advice. Alright, let's get started. The FTP sensor is a crucial part of your vehicle's evaporative emissions control system, EVAP. It monitors pressure changes in your fuel tank and helps prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Now, let's get into the 6 most common symptoms that indicate your FTP sensor might be failing. I'm going to start with the most obvious signs and work my way down to the less common ones. First up, and this is what brings most people into the shop, the check engine light. When your FTP sensor starts acting up, it'll usually trigger your check engine light with specific codes. The most common ones you'll see are P0452 or P0453. These codes specifically point to problems with the fuel tank pressure sensor readings being either too low or too high. If you see these codes, it's time to get your FTP sensor checked. The second symptom is failing emissions tests. Since the FTP sensor is a key player in your car's emissions control system, a faulty one can cause you to fail your emissions test. You might see trouble codes like P0440 for a general EVAP system malfunction, P0442 indicating a small leak, or P0446 for vent control problems, all of which can be traced back to a faulty FTP sensor. The sensor helps manage fuel vapor recovery, and when it's not working right, your car might be releasing more emissions than it should. This is particularly important if you live in an area with strict emissions testing requirements. Third on the list is something you might notice at the gas station. Difficulty refueling. When your FTP sensor isn't working correctly, it can mess with your fuel tank's venting system. You might notice the gas pump clicking off repeatedly while you're trying to fill up, or the tank might seem to resist taking fuel. This happens because the sensor isn't properly monitoring the pressure in your tank during refueling. The fourth symptom is probably the most noticeable in your daily life, a fuel odor. If you're smelling fuel around your car, especially after filling up, your FTP sensor might not be properly monitoring the pressure in your fuel system. This allows fuel vapors to escape instead of being captured by your EVAP system. Fifth on the list is reduced fuel efficiency. Now this one might take a while to notice, but if your FTP sensor is giving incorrect readings, your car's computer might make unnecessary adjustments to the fuel mixture. Over time, this can lead to worse gas mileage. If you're tracking your fuel economy and notice it dropping without any other obvious causes, a faulty FTP sensor could be the culprit. The final symptom we're going to talk about is engine performance issues. While this isn't the most common symptom of a bad FTP sensor, in some cases you might experience stalling, hesitation, or rough idling. Now here's what you need to know about fixing this problem. The average repair cost for replacing an FTP sensor typically runs between $150 to $300, depending on your vehicle make and model.